So what picture does the story tell, John?
It tells me we got a whole bunch of chafing wires that need to be repositioned.
Okay.
And that is the task of the day.
Mm-hmm. All right. And this is not an actual wing airplane, is it?
No.
So who does this belong to?
We're just doing a favor.
We're doing, okay. So we help out our fellow man.
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's great. Meanwhile, work continues apace. There's Ole Yeller again. Not working on her today. But we have John King still working on the wing. And he's working on the other side this time. And he has completely removed all of the paint from this section and has now primed it. This is just a job you cannot rush. So if you'd like to know more about the wing, go to TexHillWing.org. You can join us, you can donate. We will take any help that we can get. If you're an A&P certified mechanic, we really can use your help. I'm still working on the engine here. Now we have got different turnbuckles, so these are long enough that we're able to get the oil tank securely fixed. And haven't completed yet, haven't wired these up yet. We'll be ready to do that once we feel that everything is in the right place. It pretty much is now, but we're missing a component. We're missing one of these right now for the cross section to hold the tank on. So we're really trying to locate a bracket that will hold the tank on just like it does on the other side. Such is life when you're restoring World War II era airplanes.